Now therefore, be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim April 28, 2012 as Earth Day Arbor Day in Fairfax County, and urges all residents to avail themselves the opportunity to protect and preserve the environment. Passed unanimously.
Today is Earth Day here in Fairfax County. In fact, the board has proclaimed it Earth Day Arbor Day in Fairfax County. It's all about the environment. It's all about how we live with the land and the importance of trees, the importance of all the other things. We have beekeepers, we have stormwater, we have other kinds of opportunities for people to be educated about their environment, about what's around them here in Fairfax County. And I think that's really, it's exciting and it's cool. It really is cool because you learn so much.
This is the 40th anniversary of Earth Day, but when we had our first Earth Day, Arbor Day was 100 years old already. But it's about reminding ourselves that we live on this planet, we are part of the planet, we share the planet with everything else, and we need to take care of this planet for the future. One of the things that I think gets lost in a lot of what we do is that, you know, we're really just here for a little time, and the cool thing about Earth Day, or actually particularly Arbor Day, and J. Sterling Morton, who started Arbor Day, said this, that all other holidays repose on the past. Arbor Day proposes the future, so this is about the future of the planet. And as a forester, I can tell you that planting trees is the best thing you can do to take care of your planet.